welcome to my channel. So today I have two very different products that we're going to be hot mess. Okay, so I have two products that I am going to be showing you guys, and I'm actually really interested in seeing what the results will be, or if any at all. So I have been very conscious of my double chin lately. Specifically doing videos like this, I will rewatch, and during my editing I will hone in on my chin, and it's just there. I see it. It's very defined now. So I okay, I am losing my voice, but I basically ordered something because my insecurities were getting to me, and I wanted to do something about it, because despite me actually working out, I haven't lost any of my chin fat. I've lost some belly fat, I've lost some butt fat, I've lost some boob fat. Why not some chin fat? Well, that is no longer going to be a problem, hopefully, because I ordered the Jawzrsize ball, is what it is. So this is something that I got off of Amazon. So let me put it in the trash. And this is what the packaging looks like. So it's fitness for your face. And this is something I desperately need right now, because I need to tone this. I need to make sure that it tightens. And I know there are free exercises that you can do, but this one just adds a little bit of resistance, so why not? And this is what the beautiful box looks like. I love the color so far. I mean, I chose it, so why wouldn't I? And I believe this was I think it was $40. I'll leave it down in the description box, but I'm kind of into it. Okay, so I just opened that up, and so I'm guessing that's the little cable to wrap it around your neck so it doesn't. Okay. Sheer panic that was instilled. It doesn't seem to be too rough. I don't know if I want to try this with my lipstick. Probably have to. It honestly doesn't seem rough at all. But okay. I'm gonna just read the instructions real quick and see what I need to do. So level 1, which is this blue one, is designed for higher reps and deeper range of motion to slim and tone the face and neck. Perfect. That is exactly what I need this for, because I need to slim this area down and get rid of my insecurities. Level 2, designed for tightening and strengthening the 57 plus muscles in your face and neck. This is perfect for higher reps. So that one's the pink one, which I kind of was interested in, but we'll see. Level 3, that one is purple, designed to develop and activate 57 plus muscles, great for the next level of developing the muscle. I'm not gonna say that word. Masseter muscle. Level 4, that is the green one. That is the military grade looking thing. Advanced level, designed for athletes and trained professionals. Perfect for adding mass to the jaw, face, and neck muscles. See, I'm not trying to look all buff in the neck. I am just trying to tone and slim down. So here is my little guy. This is what I need, and I'm good with it. I think just doing it by your fist, there is some resistance to it. So I think that's perfect. It's not too hard to the point where it's going to build a ton of muscles, which again, not trying to do. And how to fit your Jawzrsize. So this is what I need, because we need to test to see if this is dummy proof. Okay, so 1, insert bite straps into Jawzrsize. Step 2, bring a pot with 4 to 6 inches of water to a boil. Number 3, using a slotted spoon or the Jawzrsize necklace, insert your Jawzrsize into the boiling water for 25 to 30 seconds. 4, remove Jawzrsize with slotted spoon or neck. Lace and tap the Jawzrsize to remove any excess water. Caution: Jawzrsize may be hot. You're bringing it to a boiling. Like, what you expect. So, 5. We're on step number 5, ladies and gentlemen. So, place Jawzrsize in your mouth and bite down hard enough on the center of the bite straps to get an even mold of your teeth. Hold this bite down, position for 10 seconds, repeat if necessary until desired teeth molds are set in the top and bottom of the bite straps. 6. Do not boil Jawzrsize for more than 25 to 30 seconds at a time. Wait a second here. Wait a second. Am I boiling it every time I use it, or just the initial one? What are we doing here? Okay, well, I will follow those instructions, hopefully. And here's the little strap that we're gonna hook. Oh, I thought it was gonna be cheap. Okay, maybe it is cheap. Did I fuck this up? Yep, I fucked it up. Okay, so maybe pull it at the beginning instead of... Oh, okay, it actually slid back in. I should probably super glue it because 2 seconds into the video and I'm already breaking stuff. So, let's see here. Is this dummy proof? Just or no? How does it go? Do you stick it through? Oh, okay. Okay. I think you just wear it as a necklace and then you go. Okay, so I'm actually gonna dip this into some water. Not boiling water, but we're just gonna see without the boiling. Okay, and see. Because I don't want to go through that right now. I know it's not gonna take that long, but I need to move on. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, mis amigos. So I just rinsed it off, and that's all I did. And now I'm just gonna place it on here, and I'll see if the molding is really necessary. But at this point, I think we can just bite it down and call it good. I'm not gonna lie, it has a really nasty taste. I hope it goes away. So. Okay. I'm gonna take it off now. You guys saw what it looks like, and I actually need to get a wipe because my lip gloss is all over this. And I can't stand it. So I did not like the initial taste at all, despite it being rinsed. This one's some coconut wipes, so hopefully next time it'll taste like coconuts. I'm probably gonna end up doing this for 10 minutes and we'll see the results in a week. And I'll keep doing it until I see results, because I need this thing to actually work, okay? So it actually made a pretty good indentation despite not boiling it for 25 to 30 seconds. So I got all the makeup off right there, and we're all set. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna use this bad boy every day for a week, and I will document, because I'm trying to do this every day. I want to do this during work. I want to do this during my breaks. Whenever I'm not on the phone with a customer, I'm gonna have this bad boy in my mouth. So I can't believe I already broke this. Okay, so I'm gonna try and super glue this so that I can very easily just attach it, because I'm a mess and I just break things. I am a very destructive person, clearly. But I'm gonna give you guys a before picture and after, an after picture for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then finally a month. So 4 weeks. And we'll get to see which I honestly think it will work. It was not cheap for what it is. It's just a plastic ball, rubber ball for your jaw. But I truly, truly think this is gonna work. I feel like this is gonna keep me in check. I truly do. So I'm gonna start this tonight, and then we'll see. I mean, I kind of want to keep it controlled and do it only for 10 minutes a day or that, but I also just want some quick results, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you. I will probably do more than 10 minutes if my jaw isn't hurting that bad, okay? Because I need this gun. I need this little guy, this little turkey leg down here gone, okay? But anyways, I will show you guys some before and after pictures, and you guys have a lovely day. I'll see you next time.